Hi everyone, welcome to NDVA educational YouTube channel. Today our Python program was list comprehensions. In this program, first I will read the program requirement as usually. After that I will explain how to develop code for this requirement. Coming to this program, the program looks like lot of lines, so I will explain it shortly. Here they provided the dimensions of cuboid with names x, y, z. These are the cuboid dimensions. Along with they provided integer n also, and they want us to print a list of all possible coordinates given by I comma j comma k on a 3D grid where the sum of I plus j plus k is not equal to n. So here we need to print all possible coordinates of I comma j comma k, and whenever we did sum for these coordinates that is not equal to integer n. So in the we are taking integer value in the input, right? That input and the sum of coordinates are not equal. This is the condition we need to implement in our code. And they also provided some range also. Here I coordinates in the range between 0 to x. So x and y and z are dimensions, right? So I coordinate is the range between 0 to x. It indicates inclusive range. Less than or equal to means inclusive range. And j in the inclusive range of 0 to y. So whenever we read the problem, we definitely getting doubt on how to take ijk, and how we need to generate possible coordinates for this coordinates. So for that, here they provided the range. So I coordinate range is between 0 to x, and j coordinate range is between 0 to y. Like this, k coordinate range is between 0 to z. Here z is the one of the dimension of the cuboid. So I will explain how to develop code for this. Before going to the code, we can go through the sample example, sample input and sample output. Then only we can understand the program requirement perfectly. So here they provided one example how the requirement we need to implement. By seeing this, we can easily understand. As mentioned, x, y and z coordinates are input. Here they mention you are given, it means we need to take these as input. Along with n also we need to take. So first x equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 2. So in our example, x value, y value and z value they are taking like 1 1 2, and integer n value they are taking 3. We can take anything, but this example they take these numbers. And I did already write explanation, so I will directly copy it and paste here, because if I write all these things, time will a lot of time will consume. So I did already prepare the explanation, so I will explain this explanation for this example. So here x value equal to 1, y value equal to 1, z is equal to 2, n equal to 3 as it is present in the example. Here I take the condition mentioned in the program requirement. So I in the range between 0 to x, j 0 to y, k 0 to z. This is provided in the program requirement itself. You can write this thing as like this. So I equal to 0 to 0 comma 1. Why we take 1 was here x equal to 1, right? In this example we are taking x equal to 1. So it starts from 0 and ending with 1. So I take 0 to 1. J is also like that. It starts from 0 and ending with y. Y value is 1. So 0 to 1. And k value is starting from 0. It ending with 2. 2 means 0 comma 1 comma 2. In this way we can take I value, j value, k value, and they also provided one condition. By following or satisfying that condition, we need to develop our code. The condition was sum of I, j, k not equal to n. Suppose we can take this coordinate, and the last coordinate. If you take this 1 plus 1 plus 2, 4. So 4 not equal to n equal 3 here, right? So 4 not equal to 3. So that is no problem. Suppose we can take here 0, here 1, here 2. So sum of 0, 1, 2 is 3. 3 not equal to 3. This is not satisfying. So that type of coordinate not taken. By excluding those coordinates, all possible coordinates we are printing as our output. So coming to this explanation, you will understand clearly. So for this, okay, I will explain here only. First, here we can take all possible coordinates one by one. First, I will write indicating the box like this for every possible coordinate. First I will take I coordinate value is 0. For this 0 I will write this thing and this thing. So please understand this thing. This is the our program requirement mainly. So I, j, k, this is the format we need to take. So equal to first coordinate I, second coordinate j, third coordinate k. We need to take like this. So first here I equal to 0. So by using this 0, I will cover this j coordinates and this k coordinates because these are all possible coordinates. Here permutation concept also involves. By using this we can cover this like that. So 0, here j also we can take 0. Here k I am taking 0. This is one possible coordinate, and I will take another possible coordinate. Here I value 0. After completing all these possible coordinates, possible permutations, then only we can move to I value equal to 1. So by going to this explanation, you will understand after completing this explanation. So here I will take 0 and I will take 0 again, comma, here already I am using 0, right? So next I will using 1. Next, comma, 0 in I coordinate, comma, 0 in k coordinate, comma, here 0 and 1 are used, so left 2 is only left. Next, I equal to 0, comma, j equal to, so these are by using j coordinate, these all are completed. Then here I is constant, so I will change j value. So j here 1, comma, k value is 0 as it is. So here I is 0, j equal to 1, k is already we are used 0, so I will take 1. Next I 0, comma, k1, comma, here I am using already 0 and 1, I will take 2 now. So by using 0, this coordinate and this coordinates are completing. As it is we can use 1. By using 1 we can repeat the process, this coordinate and this coordinates. And please remember, duplicate coordinates are not allowed in list here. Here I will take I value as 1 and j value as 0, comma, here also k value as 0. And next I value as 1, this one, j value as 0, k value as 1, already used 0, right? So I will take 1. So I value 1, j value 0. So already used 0 and 1, so I will take 2 as k value. So I equal to 1 as it is. Here j value is 1 because all k coordinates are completed. So by using j first coordinate, these all are completed. So I will take next coordinate 1. So I will starting 0 here. This is I hope this understand, because I did take all possible coordinates by using permutation concept. So I value 1, j value 1. So I already used 0, right? So I will take 1. So I value 1, j value 1, and k value is 2. So in this way we can take all possible coordinates, and after taking this we have a condition, right? I plus j plus k equal to not equal to n. So we can check randomly here. 0 plus 1 plus 2, 3. So here 3 equal to 3. So here 3 not equal to 3. Then that condition satisfying, then only allow us to print the coordinates. So here this coordinate not satisfying this condition. So simply we can eliminate this thing. In this way we can develop our code. So I will write code in the bottom. And here they mention one thing: please use list comprehensions rather than multiple loops as learning exercise. So in this program requirement, Hackerrank want us to implement list comprehensions instead of using lot of loops. So I will implement list comprehensions here. Print list of so I will take coordinates here I comma j comma k. So get all the getting values stored here like this. Next, for I in range, after writing this code I will explain once. I in range x plus 1. So I already explained the loops concepts. If any in any program anyone not understand loops concept, it's better to go through the loops video for loop video once, then only you can understand the after programs which are used in loops concept. So here I am after writing this code I will explain why I am using like this. For j in range of y plus 1, for k in range of z plus 1, and here I we forget one point. We need to include this condition, right? I plus j plus k not equal to n. Those coordinates only print if I plus j plus k not equal to n. So here they already mentions what are input we need to take. Here once we go through the sample input and output, we can clearly understand how to take our input and how we need to print our output. So here in the print statement itself we are using condition, loops and list concept. So in this way we can simply avoid multiple loops one by one, and after in that loops we can need to use condition. By eliminating that we can use directly loops and conditions in the print statements itself. So here for I in range x plus 1, why I am taking x plus 1 means here how x, what value we are taking as x value here 1, right? Whenever we mention 1 plus 1, then it will be 2. Before 2 value it will be only taken. That is why I am taking x plus 1. This range indicates 0 comma 1. So x plus 1 means here simply I will tell x plus 1 here means 2, because x is equal to 1, right? So x plus 1 is 2. If I taking 2 is here, it will be act like 0 comma 1 as I mentioned here. So while getting this thing, I am taking x plus 1, y plus 1, z plus 1 like this. So I will remove this thing and I will explain one more. I will go to z plus 1. Here z means 2, 2 plus 1 means 3. So for k in range of 3 means 0 comma 1 comma 2. By getting this, I am writing loop like this. Please remember one point. Based on the program requirement, we can write our for loop as per our requirement. So I will try to execute this thing. Here I want to highlight one point also. When I close this bracket, it indicates this is the closed bracket of this for this open bracket, highlighting the color like this. So I will remove this explanation and try to execute this code. And one more point we need to remember was, we need to follow indentation. We need to remember indentation while practicing the programs one by one from easy level to difficult level. Then only we can easily understand indentation means syntax. That is also one type of syntax. So I will try to run this code. So here 2 sample test cases are there. These 2 sample test cases are executed. Now I will try to submit this code. While submitting this code, we have lot of test cases. Those all test cases are executed. So test cases means we can give any input like we want. So already they defined some test cases. After writing our code, those test cases are satisfying or not. That thing will check Hackerrank internally. So I will unlike this test case randomly. We can know what test cases they are used. So here they take all x, y, z and n value as 1. By using this as input, we are getting this as output. 1 2 3 4 5 all possible coordinates are 5 here. While I am seeing here, I am taking input all values are 2. I am getting all possible coordinates like this. So in this way, Hackerrank working and providing the program requirement and all backend things like this. If any doubts related to program or anything, please ping in comment section. And thanks for supporting. Thank you all.